Hi student, in this video we have studied the example on the avoid the interference. First we have studied the example a pinion having a 20 involute profile teeth meshes with an internal gear having 80 teeth. The module is 5 mm and the pressure angle is 20. The addendum on the internal gear is such that the interference is just avoided. Addendum for the pinion is the toys that use for the gear if the pinion is driver and the transmit 5 kW at 600 rpm. Find first path of contact, second arc of contact and contact ratio, second maximum velocity of sliding. This is the example. In this example the given data is given as first the number of teeth. A pinion having a 20 involute profile that measures with an internal gear having the 80 teeth. Number of teeth on the pinion काय दिलेलं तुम्हाला number of teeth on pinion. Number of teeth on pinion small t is equal to 20 and second will be number of teeth on wheel or gear capital T is equal to 80 mm. Then module M is equal to module M is equal to 5 mm and pressure angle phi is equal to 20 degree. Addendum on the internal gear is such that the interference is just to avoid the avoided. Addendum for the pinion is the twice of the addendum of the pinion. काय दिलेलं तुम्हाला addendum on pinion, addendum of the pinion AP is equal to twice of the toys that the use for the gear means addendum of the gear that is AW means AP is equal to 2 into AW. Okay, next will be the power is transmitted if the pinion of this driver and transmit the 5 kilowatt power के दिलेली तुमची 5 kilowatt means 5000 watt and speed is the 600 rpm means n is equal to 600 rpm revolution per minute. Then find काय find out करायला लावले तुम्हाला first find out करायला लावले तुम्हाला first will be path of contact, then second arc of contact, third will be contact ratio and maximum velocity of sliding, and fourth will be maximum velocity of sliding. Okay, then first find out आपल्याला path of contact. In previous lecture we have studied the formula for the path of contact and arc of contact, the contact ratio and maximum velocity of sliding. This is the pitch radius of the pinion small r is equal to mt upon 2 module 5 into 20 upon 2 and 50 mm and capital R is equal to small m capital T upon 2 is equal to 5 into capital T किती है 80 divided by 2 5 into 40 that is 200 mm, that is 200 mm. Then what is the gear ratio? Gear ratio is the G is equal to capital T upon small r, capital T upon small r, that is 80 upon 20, that is 4 mm. that is a 4 is the gear ratio. Okay, 4 is the gear ratio. First find out to avoid the interference. To avoid the interference, AW काय येईल तुमचा? To avoid the interference, number of teeth on the gear. To avoid the interference, the minimum number of teeth on wheel. There is a formula, that is a T is equal to 2AW divided by under root of 1 plus 1 upon G plus 2 sin square phi minus 1 bracket complete. Okay, then what is the AW? Capital AW is the क्या येईल तुमचं? T upon 2 under root of under root of 1 plus 1 upon G in bracket 1 upon G plus 2 into sin square phi minus 1 bracket complete. Capital T किती? 80 divided by 2 1 under root of 1 plus 1 upon G ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? गिअर रेशोची व्हॅल्यू तुमची 4. इट इज द 4 1 upon 4 plus 2 sin square 20 minus 1. After calculation we have get the to avoid the interference minimum number of teeth on the wheel. इथे येईल तुमचं 1.2925. Then small AW is equal to small AW के m into AW. It is a module is the 5 into 1.2925. After calculation we have get the 6.475 mm. Okay, then the AP, what is the AP? AP is the twice of AW, twice of small AW. 2 into 6.475 is equal to, after calculation we have get the 12.95 mm. 12.95 mm. Okay, this is the to avoid the interference minimum number of teeth on the wheel and number of teeth on the gear. Okay, then the addendum of the pitch circle, we have find the path of contact, arc of contact and arc. Addendum of the circle of radius of pinion, RA. Then what is the RA? RA is the addendum pitch circle radius. Addendum pitch circle radius. Pitch circle radius of pinion. What is the formula for RA? RA is the small r plus a pinion. Small r किती दिलेले तुम्हाला? 15. AP किती तुमचा? 12.95. We have get the 62.95. After calculation 62.95 mm. Then the next will be the capital R, that is the addendum pitch circle radius of wheel was just capital R plus a W. Capital R किती दिलेली तुम्हाला? Capital R will be 200 plus AW किती तुमचा? 6.475. After calculation RA will be 200, means 06.475 mm. Okay, then what is the formula for the length of path of approaches? Length of path of approaches, that is the KP. Length of path of approaches, that is the KP, is equal to under root of capital R square minus R cos phi minus R cos phi square bracket square minus R sin phi. कैपिटल आर ची व्हॅल्यू किती 200 अंडर रूट ऑफ 200 स्क्वेअर मायनस 200 इंटू कॉस ऑफ 20 स्क्वेअर मायनस 200 साइन ऑफ 20. After calculation, that is the KP is the length of path of approaches. We have get the approximately 17.1 mm. 17.1 mm. It's the path of approaches. Then the length of path of races. That is the length of path of races. That is the PL. That is the PL under root of small r a square minus r cos of phi bracket square minus r sin phi. स्मॉल r किती दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला? स्मॉल r a ची व्हॅल्यू किती? तुमची स्मॉल r a ची व्हॅल्यू 62.95 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मायनस r ची व्हॅल्यू किती दिली? 50 कॉस ऑफ 20 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मायनस 50 साइन ऑफ 20. Okay, in this values length of path of approaches, in this the 200.475 bracket square minus 200 minus 200. After calculation we have get the 17.1 mm, and then we have get the after calculation path of races, we have get the 24.79 mm. Then the first will be the, we have find the first, काय दिले तुम्हाला? फर्स्ट काय म्हणजे path of contact. It is the formula for the path of contact. Path of contact, that is KP plus PL. Path of races and path of approaches, that is 17.1 plus 24.79. Then we have get the, that is the KL, that is the path of contact 41.89 mm. 48.89 mm. Okay, this is the first we have calculated the path of contact. And second will be the length of arc of contact. It is the formula for the second. Length of arc of contact. Length of arc of contact. This is the formula for the length of path of contact. Length of path of contact upon cos phi. Okay, length of path of contact किती आले तुमचा? 41.89 divided by cos of 20. After calculation we have get the 44.58 mm. Then the contact ratio, third will be काय फाइंड आउट करायला होती मला? contact ratio. This is the formula. Contact ratio, length of arc of contact divided, it is the ratio of the length of arc of contact divided by pi m. Length of arc of contact किती आले तुमचा? 44.58 divided by pi. m ची व्हॅल्यू किती तुमची? 5 mm. After calculation we have get the contact ratio approximately 2.83 we have, that is the 3 is the contact ratio. Then the sliding, maximum velocity of sliding is the formula for the maximum velocity of sliding. Fourth will be maximum velocity of sliding. Formula will be omega 1 plus omega 2 into PL, ज्यामध्ये तुम्हाला PL ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे, म्हणजे PL ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती. PL इज द लेंथ ऑफ पाथ ऑफ रेसेस. PL विल बी लेंथ ऑफ पाथ ऑफ रेसेस. ओमेगा 1 माहिती का, ओमेगा 1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय असते तुमची, ओमेगा 1 इज इक्वल टू 2 पाय n1 अपॉन 60. ओके, 2 पाय n1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती दिलेली तुम्हाला, n1 ची व्हॅल्यू 600 RPM, दॅट इज 600 RPM डिवायडेड बाय 60, 10. आफ्टर कॅल्क्युलेशन ओमेगा 1 इज इक्वल टू किती येईल तुमचा, ओमेगा 1 इज इक्वल टू 62.83 रेडियन पर सेकंड. ओमेगा 1 विल बी 62.83 radians per second. Then what is the gear ratio in terms of the angular velocity? The formula for the gear ratio. Gear ratio is the in terms of omega 1 upon omega 2. gear ratio माहिती तुम्हाला 4. ओमेगा 1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आलेली आहे तुमची, ओमेगा 1 ची व्हॅल्यू 62.83, that is omega 2. Then what is the omega 2 ची value after calculation we have get the kind 62.83 divided by 4. We have get the omega 2 ची value 15.707 radian per second. That is the omega 2 ची value in 15.707 radian per second. The maximum velocity of sliding चा काय आहे, velocity of sliding, maximum velocity चा काय फॉर्म्युला होता आपला, maximum velocity of sliding, velocity of sliding काय ओमेगा 1 प्लस ओमेगा 2 इंटू PL. ओके, देन ओमेगा 1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आलेली तुमची 62.83 प्लस 15.707 इंटू PL ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, पाथ ऑफ रेसेस. PL ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 24.79. PL ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 24.79 इंटू 24.79. we have get approximately 1946.93 mm per second. That is a maximum sliding velocity. That is the maximum sliding velocity 1946.93 mm per meter. So this example we have asked in December 2017 for 10 marks. This is a very important, this example, to avoid the interference topics. Okay, similar to all the example will be solved. Okay, thank you.